Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks Garage. These videos are going to be videos that I am revamping from some of my older videos. A couple reasons for that. YouTube is not paying all that great right now, and I've been told I talk way too much and I get a lot of blah 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 comments. So therefore I'm kind of trying to cut some of this stuff out. So if you need any more information on what you're about to see and you feel like something got missed, please go find the longer version of these videos. Thanks for watching.
I'm not going to be pulling the door panel off or putting the door panel on in this one. That was in my last video. I pulled it off. So go check out that video if you need that information. Almost dead middle center of the door here. All I got is a flashlight, so bear with me as far as the light. But right behind this panel here, right behind that is the actual mechanism here for the electric door locks. And when I push this back and forth, you can see it's not hooked to anything. And it's supposed to be hooked to this right here. There is, right here, this black piece here is broken. You can see there's a piece right there that's missing. A little bit of light situation. And here's this piece here. It's just a piece of rubber with a hole in it. And it was sitting like that in the door, and this piece right here has broke off the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it around, stick that back in, and we'll see if it works. This piece right here seems like it's kind of bent out that way a little bit, so in the interest of not having to hopefully do this again, I got some pliers here, and I'm just going to hook onto that and bend it back. Just kind of carefully bend it, because this piece right here, you gotta be careful with. It is just plastic. I got that rubber thing turned around in there. It does seem to be holding it in there pretty well, but like I said, I'm going to hook on here. I'm going to take and bend those over. That's actually working pretty good, but now we got another problem right here. Hopefully you can see that. Right here there's a piece of rod that goes down and over. And right here, I think there's supposed to be another one of those gaskets that's completely gone. So yet again, I'm going to have to either make something, find something, or go to a wrecking yard and see if I can't get that part or a part store. Well, I've been a rod just kind of in the interest of showing you what's inside the door. Basically, it goes from the latch mechanism through the door, over, and then up through this mechanism where the piece is missing. And then it comes up and it goes that way, goes over to your door lock that you actually physically lock and unlock by hand. Anyhow, what I'm doing is to try and take up the space wherever, for whatever the piece is that goes up in here. I just got this piece of rubber hose, and I actually cut it. This is a little bigger. Sorry, I'm flipping you off here. This is a little bit bigger of a Z bend. I just kind of bent something up in, but this is about the size, and hopefully it'll rest on the bottom and against the top, and in the middle this will go through and take up that gap, and it shouldn't fall down or up or anything like that, because it is about just pretty snug in there. But what my plan is I cut a hole or a slice in this hose, and I'm just going to take it and put it in through that hole up there, and hopefully bend it around there and have that, and that will take up the gap, which when the mechanism goes back and forth, it should actually physically move the piece that is broken. In the interest of telling all, I actually had to get a different tube, smaller diameter hose, and this is just rubber hose that I spliced down the middle, wrapped it around the metal part there like I showed you on the table, and shoved it up through there into the hole, and it is working perfectly fine now.
Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.